Everybody, Blue Ridge Rider. Today I'm at DrivExotic. Lots of cool cars to drive. Lamborghinis and Ferraris are out on the track right now.
Turn, you got it. Find that cone. Left. Turn, just turn. Now go. Left side, hug them. Just don't rush yourself. Down to these. Brakes hard, and then we're into this. Coasting. Now you're adding gas out. Right? You don't always need 100% throttle either. Brakes, carry that. That's good. Just turn tight. Turn tight, and then straight. See?
I'm at DrivExotic, just south of Fort Worth, Texas. They've got their own private racetrack and some really cool cars you can drive. They've got some Mustangs, Corvettes, stepping on up to a Mercedes-Benz AMG, a Ferrari 458, Lamborghini Huracan. Come in here, pay a little bit of money. You can drive all of them or you can drive a few of them. Really cool setup. Let's go check it out. Here's where you get signed in, get everything going. They got a movie car museum. Lots of cool cars here. If you check out my shorts, you'll see several videos of the really cool cars out here in the museum. And so tell us about it, man. What do I get to do here if I come in?
Man, you get to come out here and drive one of our selection of exotic cars on our closed 1.3 mile road course. It's a pretty good time.
So you hold me back in speed, or are you just going to let me drive as fast as I want to drive?
Well, as fast as you can safely get around the track is what we like to say. We've got one of our guys in the car with you, coaching you through it, so you can do as best you can.
That's really cool. But I get to control the gas pedal and the brakes.
Oh, yeah,
it's all
you're
on
in full
me.
Control. We don't have any controls on our side. We just steer with what we say to you.
Well, that is awesome. Well, let's go check it out. I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Yeah, come on.
Lamborghini Huracan, a Lotus Evora GT, an Audi R8, Corvette, Mustang GT500. Let's poke our head out here. Got another Lamborghini Huracan, just pulling up off the track. Another Corvette. A couple of Ferrari 455s, 458s, I'm sorry. Ferrari 458s. And then a couple of Porsche GT3s. Listen to that cold start on that Huracan. Sounds pretty good. Insider information has it that the Porsche GT3s are probably the best particular cars on this track, but the others are fun. I'm gonna give a ride today in a Lamborghini Huracan. Let's check it out. Let me show you the track. So here's the track. We're coming in over here. Here's pit row, jumping in. They've got all the apexes marked out in corners. Really nice, tight, fun curve back here. Everything coming around. It's a crazy curve right in here. Kind of go over a hill, and then again, another really nice curve. I about lost it here and here. If it wasn't for the all-wheel drive on the Lambo, I'd be in trouble. I'm here with my friend Chris at DrivExotica, and we're gonna do a little driving in a Lamborghini Huracan. Talk to you soon. All right, everybody, let's do what a cold start sounds like on a Lamborghini Huracan. Yeah.
So that little red switch, you're gonna go down with that for sport. Go down. Just pull down on it.
Pull down.
Yep, that's it right there. And then squeeze your right paddle for drive. And you're good to go. We're heading straight out and we're making a right. If you want to start rolling, you can go ahead. Just start rolling out. Just straight out of the gate. Line up these two cones over here. So line up those cones straight past that second one. Start adding some gas. Keep adding it. Keep adding it. Follow those cones on the left side. Yep, just hugging those. Keep it going. And down to those three cones. Head down there. Carry that speed. Brake a little bit, release, turn it tight, turn it in, straighten and go. that second one. Start adding some gas. Keep adding it. Keep adding it. Follow those cones on the left side. Yep, just hugging those. Keep it going. And down to those 3 cones. Head down there. Carry that speed. Brake a little bit. Release. Turn in tight. Turn in. Straighten and go. Keep going. It's just touching. Keep adding to it. Straight to those 3 cones. Yep, get down there a little farther and brakes hard, release. Turn in all the way for that cone. There you go, straighten up, add some gas. Good, keep adding to it. Start on this right side, follow the curbing, the red and white curbing, hug that. Add a little gas down the hill now towards those cones ahead. Good, and then just coast up to that cone if you can. To there, that's perfect. Now back in. Now a little gas. Straighten up to that curbing. Follow that cone and straight over from there. Straight. Brakes hard. Brakes hard. Release. Over here. Over here. Back in. Gas out. Straight. Coast left. Just go left. You got it. Just turn. Straight and go. Hug the cone, a little bit of gas towards the orange. So I head towards that one, maybe brake and set, that's fine. Coast from there to here. Now a little gas in. There you go. You got a better shot at this now. You're lined up with that cone and straight. Straight over, brakes hard, 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 release. You're fine. Back here. Back
that
here.
That car saves you. That's incredible.
Yes, it does. Brake a little, in tight, straight and go. Straight, keep going, keep pushing. Brake hard, harder, harder, harder. Release, turn in. Straight, straight, easy.
Sorry.
You're fine, keep going. Good, up that cone. Add a little bit down the hill now. That coast to here, add the gas in, look up the hill where they are, line that cone up and go. There, straight, brake hard, hard as you can, release, just turn, you got it, line that cone, brake, lift, turn, just turn, now go. Harder, harder, harder. Release. Turn. Turn. It's over here. Keep going. Coast. Down. You're good. Just coast. Brakes. Release. Don't worry about the car out in front of us. Keep going. Great. Just get to a straight line. There you go. Better. Brakes hard. More. Down in. There you go. That's better. Great. Yes, it's rev matching your downshifts. Carry that, hug the cone. Add a little gas down the hill. Good. Carry speed. Don't cut it off yet. Here to here, easy. Now in. There you go. That's it. Look for that cone up there. Here. And straight. Brake hard. Hard, hard, hard. Hard. Easy. Hard, release, coast. Just coast in. Now add the gas. You're good. Just look for your apex cones. You gotta see those apex cones. Now, a little gas in. There you go. You got a better shot at this now. You're lined up at that cone and straight. Straight over. Brakes hard. Hard, hard. Release. You're fine. Back here. Back here.
That car saves you. It's incredible.
Yes, it does.
That is
We'll exit on this one through the yellow, so we're straight ahead through those.
Yeah, that every time in there when I was getting on it too hard, the car just is that the all-wheel drive or is that traction control?
Yeah,
combination?
both, yes.
Yeah, that's incredible.
The traction control is
Incredible.
really amazing in this car. It does, you know, tires are spinning at different rates at certain times. So make a right, yes sir. Pull up behind that Mercedes there.
Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that is freaking awesome. That's the only way to say it right there. Turn it off?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you, man, so much. I really appreciate that.
You're
A lot of
welcome.
fun.
Anytime. Good job.
I can tell you know your stuff.
I do.
I wish I knew my stuff like you know your stuff.
All right, good
All
deal.
right.
We'll hop out, get some photos of the car.
Thanks, man. All right, everybody, DrivExotica. It's a cool ride. You're fine. You're fine. They video your ride. Nice, cool setup. T-shirts, whole experience. It's a really cool place. They've got this setup figured out. Nice little place to hang out, check out what's going on. Really cool little observation deck here. Let's just step outside real quick, see what's going on. Got their own fueling station. Put a little gas in the Huracan. Really, really cool place.